Look at that beautiful 1241 standing in front of us. I think it's time for a quad slide tour. I like it. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal right off of Interstate 5. Marathon headquarters here in Coburg, Oregon. Coach 1241 behind us. It's a quad slide 2016. We're going to go inside and take a look. Anyway, stick with us because we're going to go all the way through the coach. This is a fantastic coach that is for sale. So stay with us. But look at this beautiful day right off of Interstate 5, the Marathon mothership here. There's a lot going on here on the production floor. I walked the floor this morning and I thought, what are we going to do this morning? We're going to show a pre-owned quad slide. So let's take a look at the exterior. Beautiful colors. It's kind of that copperish orange, which I'm a big fan of. Also, you see the white lines through it, the white pins. I also like that. But this is a coach that really, wait till you see the inside. Very elegant inside. Rear bath on a 2016. Very, very cool. We're going to go inside and take a tour. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I know I did a lot of stuff around the house. Lot going on. We're going to be down at Pacific Shores RV Resort down in Newport, Oregon at the end of July. I'm excited about that. It's Owners Week. The week that I'm down there, we're going to bring you a lot of video content. But that's kind of right in the middle of summer. It's beautiful weather here in the Willamette Valley. We're going to go inside 1241. So, John, yeah, we can walk this way. One of the toughest things about being right off Interstate 5 for these coaches is keeping them clean. Literally, we'd be washing them twice a week. You know, all the dust coming off of I-5 blows it up. But 1241 is a really nice quad, extremely low miles. Not extremely, I don't want to say that. It's got the right amount of miles. It's 47,000 miles on a 2016. Let's go in and check it out. I'm going to hop in here first and let John follow me as he takes a look at the cockpit. Great colors throughout this coach. And of course, it being an H3 quad, you see you make those additional 2 steps up into your salon. And this is an elegant coach. Take a look at that floor feature. What a beautiful way to walk into your coach. That tile work is fantastic. This coach has been well maintained and well taken care of here at the Oregon facility where it was built back in 2016. Actually, it was built in 15 if it's a 16. 2 recliners in amazing condition right here on the curbside or the patio side with that occasional table, which leads right into a split galley. On the other side, over on the driver's side, you've got a beautiful, this is a sleeper sofa. This is not a jackknife. This is a hideaway bed. That's why it's a little bit taller. But look at that beautiful leather work on that hideaway sofa. Really nice work there. And then, of course, you've got the L-shaped dinette with a telescoping dinette table. But right behind John is a really, one of my favorite features of this era. It's that angled fireplace. It has kind of a hearth there. It's just really a cool way of displaying that fireplace because it's at an angle. It just makes it, it's not part of the cabinetry. It makes it its own entity. And I really like how we were doing that in this era, in that 14, 15, 16 era where the fireplace had a really cool angle to it. And then here I am in the galley, and I said a split galley because the slide room is right here, you guys. So you've got galley here and galley here. Really nice Corian, a solid surface sink. Of course, the Advantium 120 from GE above the burner tops, lots of storage throughout in this galley. Dinette here, Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer right here. Empty egg container up top. Pantry here. 3 shelves here, 2 down there, and then here's the pullouts. Isn't that nice? So you've got pantry on both sides of the galley before you move into the midship of the coach. Ceiling is very modern. This is one of those ceilings that we still use today in current coaches, and it's one of those ceilings that it also has accent lighting. I'm gonna turn on some of these lights here. Put a little ceiling accent. There you go. It's chosen in red right now, but as you can see, and you can either tone it down completely with no lights, or you can have it on a rotating light, or you can fix it. Right now it looks like it's fixed on red. Or no, it might be rotating. Anyway, like I said, Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer with really good storage in this galley. Quad slide, lots of room. We're gonna sit down in the salon when we get done. But I'm gonna have John pivot around here and take a look at this water closet. This is the half bath in this coach. Also with a TV monitor in here. Lots of room. It's not a small water closet by any means. It's large enough for you to have enough room to get in there, do what you need to do, and then get out. And then if John wants to move back just a hair, washer dryer right there. Right before you move into the bedroom, there is a washer dryer right there, stacking Bloombergs inside here. And then of course, it's just like a small closet right here. 3 drawers below, I think it's 3, am I right? It's 3. 3 drawers below, kind of a shirt hanging area with a hanger bar that's 8 inches. All right, as you move into the bedroom on the driver's side, you've got another shirt closet with 2 shelves, actually a small shelf on the bottom and then a locking drawer rollout in the bottom there. But that's a 12, actually I think it's a little bit hair larger than 12-inch. Hanger bar up there. That is on the driver's side. On the curb side or the patio side, as you walk into the bedroom, another shirt closet with 2 drawers right below it. Lots of storage in here. And then of course over here on the curved Samsung 4K Smart TV, you've got storage on each side and then below. This bench, don't be misled by the bench, you guys. The bench doesn't pop up. There's not storage below it. It's actually just a good place to set clothes out. Some people really, they let their dogs sit up here or lay up here, but it's really a nice spot to come and get dressed or lay your clothes out or whatever. Storage above and below the bed. There's actually a drawer. As you can see, this bed is articulated all the way up, so it creates a lot more room in this quad slide floor plan. I can easily get to the other side of the bed to pull this guy up if I wanted to, but also, of course, storage above, like I mentioned. Very cool. All right, that's on both sides, by the way. Also, good size storage on each side. The nightstands, if you will. 2 pull-outs on each side and adequate space, countertop style, right there on each side for the Bert and Ernie sides. Another shirt closet here, right before you go into the rear bath. A lot of you guys know the rear bath is something that is really requested by a lot of customers, and this coach 1241 is exactly that. John, I'm gonna let you get in there and get these shots while I just talk about it. Rear bath, you've got good storage above and below on that vanity there with the countertop. You've got the pedestal commode and then a good size. That's actually a pretty large shower in the rear. Thank you, John. Let me help you there. Beautiful tile work, and I like how much room is there on the shower caddy. But a couple of nice bands of tile work along. And as you can see, this shower, one of the things you want to look at when you look at pre-owned coaches is the showers. That'll tell you how well a coach has been maintained, because you can see if the grout lines have been sealed, resealed, or if they need resealing. Beautiful shower, you can tell that it's been well maintained. That's the back of the coach. And as you can see, tons of room. Quad slides, it's just all this natural light that comes in, tons of room in this coach. I'm actually going to sit down in here and we can take a few questions. I bet Abigail's got a few things for us. But this is just really a nice coach. I'm going to sit right down here and take a few questions. What do you think, Abigail?
Sure, yeah.
They got a tic-tac-toe game over here.
Yeah, someone asked how deep the slides are. I'm assuming how,
I don't know exactly. That's
Yeah.
kind of my policy. If I don't know the question, I know where to find it. I can look that up on the actual floor plan, but they're about 2 feet. They add about 2 feet to each side, approximately, give or take. But it really opens it up well.
We also just have a couple of people shouting out where they're from. We have Thomas from Hastings, Minnesota.
Hastings,
We
Minnesota.
also have
I think I've ever been there.
someone, Derek Williams said morning Mal.
Derek.
And the gang from South Central Kentucky, I think. Is that KY's Kentucky?
Yep, Kentucky, yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. Oh, here we go. Someone asked, what year is this coach?
This is a 2016.
Okay.
It's a 2016 Marathon. It's a 2015 Prevost chassis quad slide. 47,000 miles. I think we were looking at that before. And a good morning to Derek Williams, someone who's watched the show for quite a while. So smart Samsungs throughout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TVs in total. That includes that 5th TV is the one that we saw in the water closet, or if you want to count the bays downstairs. So,
Yeah.
really nice coach.
Also, someone said, does the dining table slide in and out?
Yeah, it sure does, John. Let's show them that. So that's one of the features that you're going to find in every Marathon over the last 15 or so years. Not only does it pivot out like this so that someone could get in there like that, but it's going to have a control to move in and out so you can literally adjust your seating position or the table position to your seating. So one of the things I like to do, and I'm going to illustrate that right now, is when you're not using the dinette, should stop about there. Look how much more room it creates here in this salon. It literally is set all the way back. So the floor plan literally feels more spacious because the table is all the way back. And let's say you're just entertaining, you got people sitting here and there, whatever. You can pull this guy. Oh, actually, you know what I should do? I should pull this out just a hair to show you that, and then pull it back in. Somebody showed me this when I first came to Marathon. One of the coolest things that they can do with these tables is you can set it up like a buffet style, which I thought was really cool. Kind of like that. So you could have it like this, where you could have food or drink set out, and then people can literally sit in here and enjoy it. And you could actually move it this way now, so you could give someone sitting over there more room, or someone sitting over here less room. But it's really a nice look. And comfortable. And comfortable. Now that looks like storage to me, John. Look at this. Oh, it is. Behind the frame, utilization of space, something I love to say on Marathon Mondays, but just a little bit. I mean, what would you put in there? I mean, I could come up with all kinds of things. You guys know I love creative storage, hidden storage. This is kind of hidden storage because it's literally the frame. You don't really know to look for it, except it's got this little handle right here. That's cool. And that, you guys, is Coach 1241. This one is for sale. If you're looking to get into, a 7 or 8 year old quad slide, this is a good example. It's got low miles, not too low, and it's been extremely well maintained here at the mothership where it was built. 2016, Coach 1241. This is a great quad. If you're looking to get into a quad, let's get you into this one. Beautiful floors. There's not much I can't say about this coach that doesn't already show in this video, because this is a beautiful coach. If you're looking to get into this, you know how to get a hold of me, MalW, MALW at marathoncoach.com. Send me an email, I'll give you my phone number, and we'll talk about it. We got lots of consignments out there, guys. We've got a 1995. I've talked about it a couple of times on the show. This is an immaculate 1995. Yeah, it's an older coach, but it's a one owner. It's low miles. I think it's under 80,000 miles, and it's the nicest 1995 coach you've never seen because there's no videos on it yet. We're going to be doing that very soon. We've got a couple of other coaches. Coach 440 is still out there, a really nice 1998 marathon. And then we've got another one that we're going to be bringing you on video. Again, we've done a short video on it, but we're going to do another one after Dave Bash finishes his PDI. So some really nice older coaches that Marathon has right now. But if you're looking to get into a really nice quad, I think you should consider this Coach 1241. Be yourself and do good things. I'm going to get out of here for the week. Take care and, yeah, enjoy the weather.